Financial independence as a QNet direct seller. The objective of running a business of any kind should not just be to make quick money, but to become financially independent. But what is financial independence? Why is it important? And how does being a direct seller for QNet allow one to be financially independent? Here are some of the benefits of financial independence. Financial independence gives a person the freedom to follow their passion. Becoming financially free will allow a person to stop doing what they have to do and concentrate on what they want to do. Not only does this allow them to feel fulfilled in life, but it can also help them become mentally and psychologically stronger. The foresight of long-term goals instead of immediate needs. Ever wonder why most people cannot settle down and have their life sorted when they are younger? It is because there is only so much they can plan and prepare for when they are living from paycheck to paycheck. When a person is free from the burden of worrying about surviving the next month, it becomes easier to plan for the next few years. With financial freedom, planning with long-term goals in mind becomes easier. A better relationship with money and personal finance. When there is financial freedom, one is less emotionally attached to money and perceives it as a tool to help them achieve their goals in life. This allows them to use it in a much better way to positively impact their life and everyone around them. Financial independence brings peace and confidence. When worrying about money is no longer a concern, people have a much better and stress-free life. Financially independent people are willing to take more risks, both in life and in business. One of the most attractive things about joining a top direct selling company in India like QNet is that it enables a person to become financially independent. It allows them to start a business of their own and grow it into a sustainable source of income. With time and effort, they can even turn it into a means of passive income. In a world run by money, becoming financially independent is one of the most life-changing and empowering things an individual can achieve. It is the true sign of being free and gives them the power to live life on their terms. Visit the QNet India website to learn more about the QNet entrepreneurial opportunity and the steps to become financially independent.